Good morning, children. I hope you have revised thoroughly the identities and practiced the sums once again. The next topic is factorization. The same identities will be involved. Most of the questions in the textbook is based on factorization using identity. When you see a question on factorization, certain tips, what I am going to tell you, will help in identifying which identity needs to be used. Number 1. If the question has two terms, the identities involved with the two terms are either a square minus b square, a cubed plus b cubed, or a cubed minus b cubed. When the question has two terms, check whether the terms are of this pattern: a square minus b square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. If it is of those pattern, identify what is a and b and directly substitute in the factorization formula as a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, a cube minus b cubed is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. In case you are not finding any of these identities, the only choice or take the common factor and then you will get the factorization. So these are the procedures when you are having two terms in the question. If you have three terms in the question, you can check whether it is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, or x square plus x into a plus b plus ab, which shows that a square plus 2ab plus b square is the expansion of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, or x plus a into x plus b. The third identity, you may have to take the help of splitting off middle term. The next concept is, if you have four terms in the question, check whether a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. In that case, identify what is a and b, and the factorization answer is a plus b the whole cubed or a minus b the whole cubed. When you have 6 terms of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, the factorization pattern is of the form a plus b plus c the whole square, and the sign for the terms a, b and c can be allotted depending on the signs of the terms of 2ab, 2bc and 2ac, because a square, b square, c square will always be positive terms. Textbook exercise 2.5, question number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identities: 9x square plus 6xy plus y square, 4y square minus 4y plus 1, x square minus y square by 100. Question number 5. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16 2xz. The second one, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. I hope you copied this in your notebook. It will be easy for you to remember always. When there are three terms of the identity, we can check whether it is of the form a plus b whole square. For that, we need to underline two square terms. The two square terms are 9x square and y square. A square is equal to 9x square, or a can be written as 3x. Actually, we are taking the square root of 9x square. B square is equal to y square, or b will take the value y. How do you arrange? The arrangement is a the whole square. The middle sign is positive. 2ab, that is 2 into 3x into y. So 2 3s are 6, 6xy is corresponding. Plus y the whole square, or the final answer is a plus b the whole square. That is 3x plus y the whole square. This step, you are arranging the given question in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square to identify a and b, and then to get the answer as 3x plus y the whole square. Similarly, identifying the two square terms, a square is equal to 4y square, a is equal to 2y. B square is equal to 1, or b is also 1. Arrangement, you will arrange as 2y the whole square, the same expression you are arranging. 2y the whole square minus 2 into 2y into 1, 2ab plus b square. Since the sign is negative here, it takes the identity a minus b the whole square. So the answer is 2y minus 1 the whole square. X square minus y square by 100. How do you arrange? Arrange as x the whole square. Since there are two terms, identity a square minus b square. X the whole square minus y by 10 the whole square. After arrangement, the answer or factorization is x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. Moving on to question number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. 6 terms involve the identity a plus b plus c the whole square. The first 3 terms will give you the values of a, b and c. Then allotment of sign for a, b, c based on the terms of 12xy, 24yz and 16xz. The 3 square terms are 4x square, 9y square and 16z square. That is, a square is 4x square, which means a is 2x. B square is 9y square, which gives you b as 3y. C square is equal to 16z square, which is telling you c as 4z. After getting the value of a, b and c, the sign allotment has to be understood. Plus 12xy plus 12xy indicate that x is also a positive number, y is also a positive number. The next condition is 24yz and the sign allotment is negative. Since y is a positive number, z has to be negative, then only the term yz term will be a negative term. Similarly, x is a positive number, and because of the z negative, xz term is also a negative term. Thus, we can give a value. The x value is positive, that is a is positive 2x, b is positive 3y, and c is negative, because x value comes in a, y value comes in b, and z value comes in c. Now you are arranging the same question as with the plus sign for the general term. So the arrangement is 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 4z the whole square plus AB. AB means A, B term, that is 2x into 3y plus. You can arrange with plus because already you have taken allotted the sign. 2AB plus 2BC, 2 into your B value is 3y, C value is minus 4z plus 2AC, 2x into minus 4z. This is only for the arrangement. The final answer is, which is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square. The arrangement just to rearrange the as in the question, but answer is already available from here, 2x plus 3y minus 4z. This is the way of allotting the symbol by checking the sign of the xy term, yz term, and the xz term. Number 5, subdivision 2. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. A square is equal to 2x square, or a is equal to root 2x. B square is equal to y square, b is equal to y. C square is equal to 8z square, c is equal to root 8z, which can be expressed as 2 root 2z. Based on the terms of xy, yz and xz, on a trial and error basis, x, y and z has to be given the sign. Since xy value is negative, let's try with a combination of x positive and y negative. Yz term has to be positive. So in that case, z also should be a negative value. Thus already xz value is a negative value. Arranging as a has to be x value is positive, y value is negative, z value is negative. Thus the arrangement is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Just arranging the given question into the identity format, and the answer is a minus y minus 2 root 2z the whole square. The same answer, as I told you, as a trial and error, we took it as positive, negative and negative. Even if you take the xy term has to be negative, make sure that x can be negative, then y will be positive. So the yz term has to be positive, implies that the z value also should be positive. The same answer can also be written as minus root 2x plus y plus root 2z the whole square, because the square of a negative number also is positive. Thus both the answers are possible. Question number 8. The factorization based on a plus b the whole cube or a minus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube will have 4 terms with all positive. A minus b the whole cube will have the first 3 terms as negative and the last term as positive. So when you give 4 terms, you have to just identify what is a and b from the cube terms. arrange the question as the identity format, and then you can finally get the answer. Identify the cube terms 8a cubed and b cubed. That is, a cubed is equal to 8a cubed will give you a as cube root of 8a cubed, which is the same as 2a. B cubed is equal to b cubed is giving you b is equal to b in this particular question. How do you arrange into this format? How do you arrange into the format is a cube, that is 2a the whole cube, plus b cubed, b the whole cube, plus 3a square b. 3 into a square into b plus 3a b square. Automatically when you see 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12. 3 into 2, 6ab square. And the answer is, since all terms are positive, the answer is 2a plus b the whole cube. The next one is a cubed is equal to 8a cubed. A is equal to 2a. B cubed is equal to b cubed, or the value of b is also b. The arrangement is 2a the whole cube minus b the whole cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3a b square, which is giving you the same. 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12a square b, then plus 3 2s are 6ab square. Since the first three terms, you can see the terms and the last term is negative, you can get it as 2a minus b the whole cube. Similarly, the cube terms are a cubed is equal to 27, a is equal to 3, because cube root of 27 is 3. B cubed is equal to 125 a cubed, or b is cube root of 125 is 5, it is 5a. Answer is already here 3 minus 5a the whole cube, but how do you arrange as 3 cube minus 5a the whole cube minus 3a square b, that is 3 square 5b plus 3a b square. Double check the answer as 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 5 is, it is 135, correct answer. 3 into 3 9, 25 into 9, 9 5s are 45 to 25 and a square. Thus your answer is 3 minus 5a the whole cube. The remaining two sums you can try on your question number 10, 1 and 2. Direct the factorization formula you have to by heart for a cube plus b cubed and a cube minus b cube. A cube plus b cubed is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. It's a direct factorization here. 27 by cube plus 125 z cube can be written as 3y the whole cubed plus 5z the whole cube, which gives you your a value as 3y, b value as 5z, and directly substitute in the factorization formula as a cube plus b cubed is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Or the final answer is 3y plus 5z into 3y the whole square is 9y square, 3 5s are 15yz plus 25z square. This factorization can be done if you learn the formulas thoroughly. A cube minus b cube. can be written as 4m the whole cube minus 7n the whole cube. Now, the same formula, a cube minus b cubed is a minus, your a value is 4m, b value is 7n. A cube minus b cubed is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. The final answer is 4m minus 7n, 16m square, 4 7s are 28, 28mn plus 49n square. The last identity we proved yesterday as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is the same as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the last identity you have learnt. The question can be arranged as 27x cube can be written as 3x the whole cube plus y the whole cube plus z the whole cube minus 3xyz, 3x y z, which is giving you automatically 3 3s are 9 xyz. So what is the final answer? The final answer is x plus y plus z, that is 3x plus y plus z into x square, 3x the whole square plus y square plus z square minus xy, 3x into y minus yz minus zx, or the final answer is 3x plus y plus z, 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. It's again a direct formula, only thing the x value has been taken as 3x here. Question number 13. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. What is the identity you have learned is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is the same as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity or the verification of this identity you have done already in the previous question. Now, the question is, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, that is, you are going to substitute in this as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. What is 0 multiplied by any number? 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0 gives you x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is an important concept in the next question. That is, if the sum of x, y, z becomes 0, the answer of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is always 3xyz. Question number 14. Without actual multiplication, find the value of minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. This is the application of the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cubed minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. But here your x value is minus 12, y value is 7 and z value is 5. What is the total of x plus y plus z is minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, which is equal to 0. Therefore, this identity becomes x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed will become 3xyz. That is minus 12 cubed plus 7 cubed plus 5 cubed. Answer will be 3 into x value is minus 12, y value is 7 and z value is 5, which is equal to 3 into minus 12 minus 36 into 35, 36 into 35, 6 5s are 30. So the final answer is negative 1260. Similarly, the same way, x plus y plus z is equal to 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13. 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. Therefore, the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cubed will become 3xyz. That is 28 cubed plus minus 15 cubed plus minus 13 cubed will become 3 into your x value is 28, your y value is minus 15, z value is minus 13. So 28 into 3, 8 3s are 24, 84. 84 into minus 15 into minus 13 will be a positive number. 3 plus 1, 4. 195. Again, 195 into 84. 36, 38. 7, 44, 72, 76. 7, 15. 16,380. Question number 15. Given possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Area is given as 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Area is the product of length and breadth. That is why the concept is factorization. It is splitting off middle term, because even the 25a square is a square term, 12 is not a square term. It doesn't match with any of our identities. Let's go with the splitting of middle term. The product is equal to 25 into 12, which is 2-3 different ways you can do it. Let's go with the multiplication, and sum is equal to minus 35. The rule is the product is positive and the sum is negative. When the product is positive, both the factors are of same sign. And to get 35, the numbers, the factorization of 300, either it is 1 300, 2 150, 300. Since the sum value is a slightly bigger number, we can avoid these factors and we can go ahead with a slightly bigger factor, and it's very clear that it is 15 and 20, because 15 into 20 is giving you 300. Or another way is you can do factorization. You can select the combinations which will give you, since it is a bigger number, the combination of 20 and 15, the 15 and 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. So the factors are 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. 25 and 20, the common is 5a into 5a minus 4 minus 15 and 12, the common is 3. 5a minus 4, 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4. So the possible combination is then 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. That is the second question. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Product is equal to 35 into minus 12. Sum is equal to positive 13. 35 into 5 to z. 7 5 is 5. You can also find factors by taking the factors as 7 into 5 and 4 into 3. But still let's go with the prime factorization. By 2, 210. By 205. By 3, 35. By 5, 7 and 1. Let's take the combination. Since it is a product is negative, the factors are of unlike sign and the subtraction of the answer will give you the sum answer. So the answer can be the possible combinations 28 and 15. If you take the factors as 28 and 15 plus 28 and minus 15. So 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. 35 and 28, the most common is 7. 7y into 5y plus 4 minus 15 and 12, the common is 3. 5y plus 4. 7y minus 3. 5y plus 4. So this is another combination. Number 16. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volume is given below? Cuboid volume is L into B into H, which means that there should be 3 factors. The question is 3x square minus 12x. The concept is only factorization. There should be 3 factors. So we can take the common factor as 3x into x minus 4. So which are the 3 factors? 3, x and x minus 4. So the possible dimensions are 3x and x minus 4. Which are the possible dimensions? The factorization of 12ky square, 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Minus 20k. The first factor is when you take the k outside, 12y square plus 8y minus 20. The 12y square plus 8y minus 20 can be factorized by splitting of middle term. Product is equal to minus 240. Sum is equal to positive 8. By this prime factorization, you can select the factors depending on the rule. That is, when the product is negative, the difference of the factors is giving you the final answer. Thus, 5 4s are 20 and 2 2s are 4 3s are 12. So, based on the sign here, plus 20 and minus 12. 12y square plus 20y minus 12y minus 20. 12 and 20, the most common factor is 4y. 3y plus 5 minus 12 and 20, again the factor is 4. It is 3y plus 5. So 4y minus 4 into 3y plus 5. So again 4 can be taken as a common factor here. Thus the 3 dimensions are the k which is already taken here, that is 4k, y minus 1 and 3y plus 5.